Knowledge sheet number 41, questions and dealing with desire. A boy asked a question, and before Shri could answer, he was ready with another question. We had example last night in Satsang. To this, Shri said, if you hold on to the question, how will you receive the answer? Give away the question to me and you will find that you are already in the answer. You know, once one lady came to Guruji. Guruji, I want to surrender everything. सब कुछ समर्पण करना चाहती हूँ. I want to surrender everything. All my problems. Guruji said, okay. So she bowed down and and she got up. And then she was leaving. So Guruji says, wait. She said, what Guruji? He said, why are you taking the problem again with you? When you have surrendered the problem, given the problem, you give it, finish. What we do, I am leaving my problem at the feet of Guruji and then I will pick it up again. My problem. Give the question and you will see that the answer is already there. You are already in the answer. Desires arise on their own, don't they? Do they ask you before they come? Excuse me, can I come? I know you are in the ashram right now, but can I come? I am the desire for pizza. Can I come now? Does the desire ask you? Just comes, isn't it? When they come, what do you do with them? And if you don't want to have any desire, then that itself is another desire. Yes or no? Now here is a clue for you. Guruji says, when a desire comes, what do you do? And if you say that my desire is not to have any desire, that itself is a desire. Now what to do? So Guruji says, here is a clue. If you want to get on to a plane or go to a movie, then you have to buy the ticket. Yes or no? But this ticket has to be given at the door, right? If you hold on to the ticket, will they allow you inside? कोई भी theatre में जाओ, go to any theatre, say I have this ticket. They will say, okay, I have to tear the name. I paid for the ticket, you can't tear it. Then they will say, okay, you wait outside. Right? You have to give the ticket to be able to go. If you want to be admitted to a college, you must fill out the application form. But after filling out, what you have to do? Submit it. Otherwise, will you get admission? Oh, I filled 30 college application form. I didn't get admission anywhere because I kept them all in my drawer. I paid 100 rupees for each form. Why I should give them back? On the journey of life, you have to keep submitting your desire, not hold on to them. As you keep submitting, fewer desires will come. Okay? Unfortunate are those who keep on desiring and yet their desires are not fulfilled. दुर्भाग्यशाली जिनको बोलते हैं. बहुत सारी इच्छा आती है, ये करना है, वो करना है, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, I want this, I want that, all sorts of desires will come. None of them get fulfilled. They just desire. Little more fortunate are those whose desires get fulfilled after a long period of time. Yes. When I am 15 years old, I wish I had lots of money. I get lots of money, but when I am 95 years old, not much point. Right? Desire got fulfilled, but next lifetime only it should have happened. Why this lifetime? Right? So, little more fortunate they are. That the desire will come and long time it takes for its fulfillment. More fortunate are those whose desires get fulfilled almost as soon as they arise. Yes, lot of us out of living people fall in this category. No, almost as a desire comes and it manifests, right? Because we have the habit of submitting desire, no? We don't hold on to any desire. Oh, new desire, Guruji, excuse me, ye bhi chahiye. Right? Isn't it? We just do submission quickly. One desire comes, submit. One desire comes, submit, like that. Right? So, fortunate, भाग्यशाली बोलते हैं. भाग्यशाली मतलब क्या? जिनका जो इच्छा होती है फटाफट पूरी हो जाती है. Almost immediately the desire is fulfilled. Most fortunate, सौभाग्यशाली जिसको बोलते हैं, the most fortunate are those who have no desires, because there is fulfillment even before the desire can come. Even before the desire comes, it is fulfilled. Yes, this also happens. Little sadhana, not little, lots of sadhana. Lots of sadhana, lots of seva, lots of satsang. You know, I made a talk some time ago called the technology of spirituality. My next talk I am going to do like that is called the technology of good luck. How to make good luck happen for you. This is the secret of good luck. What is the secret of good luck? Lots of sadhana, lots of seva, lots of satsang. But this does not mean you do only sadhana, seva, satsang, okay? Oh, I was doing so much sadhana, so much seva, so much satsang, I didn't study for the exam. Then no good luck happened, nothing happened, I flunked. No. So along with fulfilling your responsibilities, whatever it is, whatever you have to do in the world, continue doing. Along with that, give priority to sadhana, seva, satsang. Then you become extreme good luck. Yes? Okay, Saubhagyashali, extreme good luck. Jai Gurudev.